lovely plant? Well, guess what? It's the most finicky plant there is for your fall decoration. I know you guys want to use these mums. They're so popular in the South for fall decorations, but they are not easy to care for. You may have noticed about 2 weeks after everyone purchases them and puts them on their front porch, they're in somebody's trash can, and there's a reason for that. There's alternatives to mums. Crotons are one of my favorites, as well as marigolds. You may think marigold is a summertime plant, but it can easily make it through the very coldest temperatures really in the South where we live. But if you're just dying to have mums and you have to keep them, there is a special way to care for them so that they last even longer. You want to make sure that you're deadheading them, which means that once these blooms have spent and they turn a little bit brown, you just pull them right off and toss them away.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
It's that easy. The thing is that they have so many blooms on them, you'll probably be deadheading all day to keep up. But I digress. Make sure that you're watering from the soil. You want to make sure that the water goes straight into the soil, not from the top, because too much water on the flowers will make them it'll ruin the flower. So you want to make sure that you're not watering from the top. And lastly, make sure that you're keeping them watered. Even though we talked about how to water them, make sure you are keeping them watered, because they will very easily dry out in these very small pots that they are living in for the short period of time that they're alive. So you want to just make sure that you're keeping them moist. That's it, guys. But just don't buy them, Mom. Ugh, I hate these plants so much. I really do. I just hate them so much. They're just a waste of money. They cost a lot of money for how little they last. It's true. That's all I have to say about that.